Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to cook catfish fillet in an air fryer. Start by patting your catfish fillets completely dry with paper towels, which is crucial for achieving a beautifully crispy texture. Next, lightly brush each side with about 1 tablespoon of olive oil, ensuring a thin, even coating. Preheat your air fryer to 375 degrees Fahrenheit for at least 5 minutes, preparing it for perfectly even cooking. Crafting the perfect seasoning blend is simple and adds wonderful flavor. In a small bowl, combine 1 teaspoon of paprika, then add 1/2 teaspoon each of garlic powder and onion powder. Introduce 1/4 teaspoon of cayenne pepper for a gentle warmth, along with 1/2 teaspoon of salt. Evenly sprinkle this savory mix over both sides of your olive-oiled catfish, pressing lightly to adhere. Carefully arrange your seasoned catfish fillets in the preheated air fryer basket, ensuring they are in a single layer without overlapping. Cook them at 375 degrees Fahrenheit for a total of 12 minutes. Remember to gently flip each fillet halfway through the cooking time, around the 6-minute mark. This technique guarantees both sides achieve a beautiful golden brown and crispy finish. Achieving that delightful crispiness is key to a great air-fried catfish. Confirm doneness by checking that the internal temperature reaches 145 degrees Fahrenheit with a meat thermometer. Visually, the fillets should exhibit a beautiful golden brown crust and easily flake with a fork. Always avoid overcrowding the air fryer basket, as this allows for optimal hot air circulation, which is essential for uniform crisping.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.